Now, the government's Game Changer scheme launches from today, the 1st of January, just as the Prime Minister wanted. But gaps in infrastructure like bank accounts and beneficiary lists force the government to pare its ambitious direct cash transfer of subsidies from the targeted 51 districts to just 20. With the number of schemes also whittled from 34 to 26. Of the 26 elected schemes, cash transfers will now roll out in 7, mostly related to student scholarships and stipends and the Indira Matrutva Yojana and Dhan Lakshmi schemes. But just how prepared is the government really? NDTV's Harsha Kumari Singh reports from Udaipur. Siddharth Ranjan Das from Madhya
70
Pradesh.
kilometers from the district headquarters Udaipur. At this village, a government camp to enroll people for UID cards is generating a buzz of curiosity and excitement. Like for 65-year-old Inder Singh, a farmer who has trekked 20 kilometers from his village to this nearest Rajiv Gandhi Kendra to get his card made.
आगे तो कहीं जाना ही नहीं आना कहीं हम कार्ड निकल जाए सब केरा का कार्ड निकालने का कैसे कार्ड निकाल आज कहीं जाना कहीं कैसे कार्ड है
लेकिन फिर भी आप सोचो कई तो फायदा होगा इससे
फायदा ले दौड़ना और कितने दौड़ा मतलब कार्ड भी चाहिए तो कहीं फायदा भी है यूं और कहीं
Such is the rush that government officials clearly cannot cope.
2-3 दिन वे क्या घूमते हैं फिर लंबे आ रहे हैं लंबे जा रहे हैं आज नहीं होगा कल नहीं होगा परसों होगा तो फिर क्या करें.
In most of the target districts in Rajasthan, Udaipur, Ajmer and Alwar, only 25 to 27% of the population have managed to get their Aadhar cards made. For example, here in Udaipur, there are 452 Gram Panchayats, but only 310 machines working overtime to make Aadhar cards. But the government has now changed its strategy. Instead of rushing to make Aadhar cards for as many people as possible in target districts, it's now trying to make cards and open accounts for only those beneficiaries who will be part of the initial rollout.
We'll be doing a focused approach for these limited numbers. So using this focus strategy very quickly, we should be able to achieve the targets.
But after promising to benefit 85% of people in target districts, the government has been forced to scale down numbers. The number of people who will now be able to get cash transfers is down to just 1% of the population in districts chosen for this scheme. In Udaipur, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.